Maths is so fun with Mr. Nunn and my flowery shirts. What are we learning today? Well, today we're going to learn how to take a percentage and find the decimal and the fraction equivalent.
Yay!
Brilliant, isn't it? But first, my shirt today. My shirt today is my blue and white Ted Baker shirt. There's one of my wife's favourite actually, so Mrs. Nunn, this is for you. And again, boring, off eBay, because it's cheap off eBay, around about £14, so a bargain, yet again. Back to the maths. I have a percentage up here, 60%, and I want to convert this firstly to a decimal. The only thing I have to do to convert that to a decimal is to divide it by
100!
By 100. Any percentage divided by 100, you will have the equivalent decimal. It's that easy. Let's just have a look at how you divide by 100. Pretty easy when you know how. Here's our 60, 6 tens, 0 units. How many places do we have to move it to the right to divide by 100?
2!
Well done, excellent. So let's take our 6 and go 1, 2, and our 6 goes in there, and we have 0.6. So 60% is equivalent to 0.6. Let's have a look now. How about finding the equivalent fraction? Well, any percentage, you can find the equivalent fraction by putting it over 100. So 60%, the equivalent fraction is 60 hundredths. And that is the equivalent fraction. But you're saying to me, Mr. Nunn, that is not in the simplest form. What times table is 60 and 100 in? Tens?
Yeah.
I think so. So 60 divided by 10 is?
6.
And 100 divided by 10 is?
10.
Can we simplify that further?
Yes.
We can divide it by 2, can't we? 6 divided by 2 equals?
3.
And 10 divided by 2 is?
5.
Brilliant! So we can see we've got 60%, the decimal equivalent is 0.6, and our fraction equivalent is 60 over 100, which is simplified down to 3/5. Easy peasy. Let's have a go for you. Let's have a go at home. Okay, I'm going to give you a percentage, and I'd like you to find me the equivalent decimal and fraction. Here we go. The percentage is 24%. Okay, if you can just do this at home, freeze your YouTube video, and we'll come back and look at it in a minute. Freeze. Defrost. Okay, let's have a look at this. So 24%, let's find it as a decimal. So here are our place value columns, and let's look at number 24. We need to move those digits 2 places to the right. Fantastic. So the 4 goes doop doop, it goes into the hundredths. The 2 goes doop doop, it goes into the tenths, and we end up with 0.25. 0.24, I beg your pardon. Okay. Let's now look at how you converted that into a fraction. So you should have said, well, it's equivalent to 24 over 100. And if you're clever, you said, I can simplify that. And actually, if you're very clever, you might have said both of those are in the 4 times table. You might have just halved them first and halved them again. But how many 4s in 24?
6.
Brilliant. And how many 4s are there in 100?
25.
Brilliant. So 24% is equivalent to 0.24 and also to 6/25. So it's easy when you try. I just want to thank my camera person Saskia and my crowd here, the Jessica sisters and Imo. And all I've got to say now is, maths is so fun with Mr. Nunn and my flowery shirts. That's enough today.